Hello kids, our today's topic is percentage. Percent means out of 100 or per 100. Anything that we count out of 100 can be represented as percentage. For example, if you have here 100 boxes, we have 100 boxes here. Now if we color out of these 100 boxes, if we color 20 boxes, 10 this and 10 this. So what it can be represented as? It can be represented as 20%. Now this is the symbol of percentage, one slanting line with two circles with it. This is a symbol of percentage, and anything that is out of 100 can be represented as percentage. Like in this case, 20 boxes out of 100 boxes can be represented as 20%. Similarly, when you score marks in your paper, in your exam paper, like for example, if you scored 60 out of 100, okay, then it can be represented as 60%. Okay, why? Because your marks are out of 100. Out of 100 you got 60, that's why it can be represented as 60%. As I told you, percent means out of 100. That means we can say 1 upon 100. This is what percentage is, what percent is. So any number, if we have to represent, any fraction, if it is in the form of, if it has denominator 20, it can be converted into percentage. It can be represented as percentage. For example, if you have a number like, if you have a fraction like 20 upon 100, so this means 20%. Okay. Basically, this symbol, percentage symbol is equal to 1 upon 100. Okay, this percentage symbol is 1 upon 100. Similarly, if we have 59%, so that means 59 upon 100. Okay. So basic thing is, what we have to take care in percentage is anything that is out of 100. कोई भी चीज़ अगर out of 100 है, 100 में से है, तो हम उसको परसेंटेज में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, ठीक है। या अगर इसका आप रिवर्स समझिए कि अगर कोई चीज़ परसेंटेज में दी हुई है, इसका मतलब है कि वो आउट ऑफ 100 रिप्रेजेंट करी गई है। आप एग्जाम्स में आपको परसेंटेज मिलती है, तो उसका मतलब है कि आपके टोटल मार्क्स, यानी कि आपके इंग्लिश, हिंदी, साइंस, सोसाइटी, ऑल टोटल मार्क्स को कंबाइन करके आउट ऑफ 100 निकाला जाता है, एंड दैट इज योर परसेंटेज। Okay. Similarly, we get when we go for shopping, we get discount, 20% discount, 30% discount. तो वहाँ पे मतलब क्या हो रहा है कि जो भी आपका शॉपिंग अमाउंट है, उसको हम लोग 100 पे रिड्यूस कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। 100 पे मतलब उसको अगर हम आउट ऑफ 100 ले रहे हैं, तो उसमें से आपको 20 रुपीज़ का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपने 100 रुपीज़ की शॉपिंग करी है, तो यू विल गेट 20 रुपीज़ ऑफ, आपको 20 रुपीज़ ऑफ हो जाएंगे, यानी कि वो उसको आपको पे नहीं करना होगा। So this is what percentage is. Now let's understand how to convert fractions into percentage. How we can convert fractions into percentage? Very simple. For example, you have a fraction like 4 upon 100. If the denominator is 100, very easy. You can simply convert it in the percent by writing it 4%. Okay. If the denominator is 100, you can simply write the numerator with the percentage sign. It means it is in percent. But if you do not have the denominator 100, instead if you have like 5 upon 10, so what we can do? In this case, we have to convert this fraction with the denominator 100. That means we have to find out the equivalent fraction of this. Okay, so to make denominator 100, we can simply multiply it by 10, both the numbers. So we will get 50 upon 100. Now we have denominator 100, so what we can write? This is 50%. Okay. Similarly, for example, you have 3 upon 5. Now in this also we do not have denominator 100, so we will first make denominator 100 by finding the equivalent fraction. So for this we can multiply both the numbers by 20. So 3 2 times is 6, 60 upon 5 2 times is 20, 100, 10, 100. So now we have it in the denominator 100 form. So what will be the percentage of it? It will be your 60%. So in this way, we can convert any fraction into percentage by making the denominator 100. If the denominator is 100, you can simply write the numerator plus percentage sign. Numerator and percentage sign. Okay. Now the reverse of this, converting percent into fraction. Okay. Now we will have the percentage which we have to convert in fraction. So what we will do that? For example, let's take 20%. Now as I told you, this percentage means 1 upon 100. So 20 into 1 upon 100. Okay. So what it will be? It will be your 20 upon 100. Now you can simplify it and you can get it. 0 will be cancelled. 2 upon 10 will be your 1 upon 5. So 20% will equal to 1 upon 5 in fraction. Let's take one more example. 52%. So again, percentage means 1 upon 100. So you can do it like this also. You can simply write down like 52 upon 100 also. So now you can simplify it and you will get 13 upon 25 will be the final answer. Always remember, I told you this earlier also, whenever you have to give answer in fraction, the fraction should be in simplest form. In any case, किसी भी चीज़ में अगर आपको fractions में आंसर रिप्रेजेंट करना है तो फ्रैक्शन हमेशा 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 आपका simplest form में ही होना चाहिए, whether given in the question or not. Try to do it in the simplest form only. So 52% in the fraction, it will be your 13 upon 25. Okay. Now we'll take one more example. 2/2%. Now if we have to convert this into fraction, what we will do? First convert the mixed fraction into improper. So it will be 7 2 times is 14 plus 2 is 16 upon 2%. Now I already told you percentage means 1 by 100. So it means 16 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 100. So it will be 16 upon 200, which when we will reduce, it will be 8 upon 100. Okay, you can further reduce it and it will become your 2 upon 25. Okay, so this is the final answer. 7 2/2% will be 2 by 25 in fraction. Now students, here don't get confused. You can get confused that this is also fraction, then why we are converting into fraction? No, this fraction is in percentage form only. ठीक है, ये fraction जरूर है but इसके साथ में percentage sign भी लगा हुआ है. हमें यहाँ पे परसेंट को फ्रैक्शन में करना था, ये परसेंट में ही है, तो हम इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग इट बाय 1/100 एंड वी विल गेट द आंसर एज 2 upon 25. Now our next topic is converting percent into decimal. If you have to convert the percentage into decimal, what we have to do? It's really very simple. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. For example, we have been given 38%. Okay. The percentage we means 1 upon 100. So we can simply write it up like 38 upon 100. Now this we have to convert in decimal. तो बहुत ही आसान है. आपको पता है जब डिनोमिनेटर में 2 zeros होते हैं, that means decimal के बाद हमें 2 नंबर चाहिए. So we can simply write it as 0.38. Easy. Similarly, let's take one more example like 99%. So 99% will be your 99 upon 100. So it will be your 0.99. So in this way we can convert percentage into decimals. So that's all about decimals. I hope it is clear to you all. Thank you.